Hello everyone! Our lesson today is about financial literacy. We're going to solve for simple interest. We will learn today how to use the simple interest formula to find interest earned on savings account. Do you know the meaning of simple interest? It is the product of the principal P, the annual interest rate R, and the time T, which is expressed in years. The symbol we are going to use to come up with the formula of the simple interest is I is equal to PRT, or I is equal to P multiplied with the R multiplied with the T. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Mariam puts 950 dirhams into a savings account. The account pays 5% simple interest. How much interest will she earn in 2 years? We are going to apply the formula for simple interest. I is equal to PRT. We are just going to replace P with 950 dirhams, R with 0.05, wherein 5% divided by 100 will give us 0.05, and T with a 2. So, I is equal to 950 times 0.05 times 2. To simplify, it will give us I is equal to 95. So, Mariam will earn 95 dirhams in interest in 2 years. It is easy, right? What if we have the same problem but the given is in months? How much interest will she earn in 6 months? We are going to write the time as years. Since we have 12 months in a year, we're going to divide 6 divided by 12. So, it will give us 0.5 year. Then, we can apply the formula for simple interest. I is equal to PRT. From the given word problem, we can find that P is equal to 950 dirhams, R is equal to 0.05, and T is equal to 0.5. Substituting these values into the given formula, I is equal to 950 times 0.05 times 0.5. To simplify, I will give us 23.75 dirhams. So, Mariam will earn 23.75 dirhams in interest in 6 months. So, we have learned how to use the simple interest formula to find the interest earned on savings account. The lesson is very easy, right? Let us now study how to use the simple interest formula to find interest owed on loans and credit cards. Let us work on this problem so that you will be guided. Shamsa's parents borrowed 25,300 dirhams from the bank for a new car. The interest rate is 8% per year. How much simple interest will they pay if they take 2 years to repay the loan? We are going to apply the formula for the simple interest. I is equal to PRT. We can replace the P with the 25,300 dirhams, R with 0.08, and T with 2. Therefore, I is equal to 25,300 times 0.08 times 2. To simplify, it will give us I is equal to 4,048 dirhams. Therefore, Shamsa's parents will pay 4,048 dirhams in interest in 2 years. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you will understand the lesson well. Mayad's dad bought new tires for 1,200 dirhams using a credit card. His card has an interest rate of 15%. If he has no other charges on his card and does not make a payment, how much money will he owe after 1 month? Again, we are going to apply the formula for simple interest. I is equal to PRT. So, we're just going to replace the P with 1,200 dirhams, R with 0.15, and T with 1 over 12. Therefore, I is equal to 1,200 times 0.15 times 1 over 12. And to simplify, I will give us 15 dirhams. The interest owed after 1 month is 15 dirhams. So, the total amount owed would be 1,200 plus 15 or 1,215 dirhams. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. Ibrahim is taking out a car loan for 10,000 dirhams. He plans on paying off the car loan in 4 years. At the end of 4 years, Ibrahim will pay 580 dirhams in interest. What is the interest rate on the car loan? We are going to apply the formula for simple interest. I is equal to PRT. We are going to replace I with 580 dirhams, P with 10,000 dirhams, and T with 4. So, 580 is equal to 10,000 times R times 4. To simplify, it will give us 580 is equal to 4,000 R. To solve for R, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 40,000. Therefore, 580 divided by 40,000 is equal to 40,000 divided by 40,000 multiplied with the R. 40,000 divided by 40,000 is equal to 1. And 1 times R is equal to R. And on the left side of the equation, 580 divided by 40,000 is equal to 0.0145. Therefore, R is equal to 0.0145. Accordingly, the simple interest rate is 0.0145. If you're going to multiply it with 100, it will give you 1.45%. So, we have learned how to use the simple interest formula to find the interest owed on loans and credit cards. It is easy, right?